Hey guys, it's Jenna with River Willow Design, and this is a tutorial on how to do the 3 beaded pendant on a sliding knot cotton cord necklace. For this design, I'll be using wire straighteners, a pair of scissors, bail pliers, needle nose pliers, wire cutters, and for the wire, I'll be using a 20 gauge gold plated wire. You need 3 beads, these are in the 8 millimeters, and cotton cord in the 1 millimeter. So first step, you're gonna wanna cut your wire. I do about 8 inches, and then I'm gonna run this through my wire straightener so my wire is nice and straight. If you don't have one of these wire straighteners, you guys, it's a must. It's such a game changer. And they're so easy to use. You just pop your wire in and pull it through 1 or 2 times, and it's nice and straight. Super easy to work with. Now I'm gonna take my bail pliers and I'm gonna leave myself a little bit of a tail. If you don't have bail pliers, you can use anything that's round. And I'm gonna go around this 3 times, and this is gonna create our bail. After this is wrapped around 3 times, I'm going to take the tail and I'm going to wrap it around twice to secure our bail in place. You're going to want to make sure you wrap this tail around nice and tight. You don't want your bail coming apart. And then once I have it wrapped around, I'm going to cut the tail off, and then you want to take your pliers and you want to squish that end piece in. You don't want anything poking on your pendant. It's always so important to make sure that you have those wires tucked in and tight, keeping everything nice and secure. And now that the bail is completed, you want to go in and add your beads. Again, these are 8 millimeter beads, and you want to add all 3. For this next step, you want to make sure that all 3 beads are staying nice and close to that bail. And then you're going to take the bottom and bend it around that bottom bead. Again, making sure all the beads are up nice and close to that bail. And then you're going to take the wire and you're going to wrap it between the 2 beads, and you're going to go all the way around, and then you're going to bring that wire up around the middle bead, and you're going to do the same thing, wrapping it between the 2 beads, and then you're going to bring that wire up again, and then you're going to wrap it around the bail. I like to wrap it around roughly 3 times so it's nice and tight, and then you're going to cut that tail off, again making sure you're tucking that tail in so you have no pokey wires sticking out. And it's just like that. It's so simple. Now that our pendant's complete, let's move on to the sliding knot cord necklaces. The sliding knot cord necklaces are so great. They're so comfortable, so easy to wear, and you can wear them at any length, which is great. So this cotton cord, again, is 1 millimeter, and I'm going to cut it at 39 inches. Now this is really important. Don't forget to put your pendant on here. So once you feed your pendant through, you're going to take one of the ends of the string and you're going to bend it at roughly 4 inches. And then you're going to take the other side, the other tail, and you're going to put it underneath that loop. Now you're going to take the bottom cord and you're going to wrap it around 4 times. You want to make sure it's nice and tight here. And then you're going to take the loop and you're going to put that tail through the loop. I've made my tail super short here, so sometimes you're going to need your pliers. You're going to pump your pliers through the loop and you're going to grab that tail and you're going to pull. And as you're pulling that tail, you want to go to the other side of the knot as well, and you're going to push and pull, making sure that knot is nice and secure. You do not want this knot unraveling on you. And now that your knot is done, you're going to pull the tail on the other side. This is going to give you a little bit of room to work with. And then you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to take the other end and you're going to bend it at roughly 4 inches, and you're going to bend it on top of the other cord. You're going to hold the loop with the thumb, and then you're going to wrap it around 4 times, making sure that you keep this wrap nice and tight. And then you're going to take this tail again, and as you can see here, I've actually given myself some room to work with. And then you're going to put it through the top of this hoop, and then again, you're going to push and pull. I always like to use my pliers to pull that tail and then push the knot. It just makes it super tight. And now for the very last step, you're going to take these end tails here and you're going to grab your scissors and you're going to cut them off. And just like that, you've made yourself a 3 beaded sliding knot cord necklace. If you use this design, shout out River Willow Design so others can find me. If you'd like to see more wire wrapping tutorials, be sure to follow me on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook at River Willow Design. And thank you guys so much for watching my 3 beaded sliding knot cord necklace tutorial, and happy wrapping.